You have a Maytag Bravo XL natural gas dryer. It's making a heck of a racket. When you turn it on, it's squealing. So we went to Amazon, ordered a new idler pulley. To find out which pulley you need, just do a little research on your model number. You can find it right there in the door. The easiest way to do this is to take off the back panel. Another option is if you take the top off and then the front and take the drum out, you can vacuum all the lint that you find inside of these dryers. But we're just going to go through the back panel. Along the back there's a bunch of 1/4-inch sheet metal screws. You have to remove all those. After the back is loose, you have to pull off your power supply, which is here and here. So here's the idler pulley. And take a pick and remove this little plastic triangle. After it's off, I'm going to push up on that arm a little bit. Take the tension off, swap the arm real quick, put the new one on. You could actually put a socket wrench right in there to give you some leverage. But I'm just going to do it by hand. So I think the easiest way to do this is to leave the belt around the idler arm while you pull the old pulley off and clean up the shaft. And then just kind of bend the whole works up and slip the new pulley right back on. Here's the machine all put back together again. What I did not show is to turn off the gas line before you disconnect anything. My shutoff is down in the basement. And when you have to unthread all the compression fittings, you also have to put on a new thread sealant so you don't get any gas line leaks in between your threads. I didn't show any of those videos. Make sure your vent is cleaned out and connected properly. The assembly is obviously the reverse of taking it apart. I ran out of time yesterday. It is back together again. Quite a bit quieter than it was. You can hear that idler pulley spinning. I don't know if that's a break-in period or if it's got a wobble to it. I did just change the pulley, not the arm itself. So I'm going to see what happens with this after a few washings and see if we have to change any of the drum rollers. That's it.